Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and in this video I'm going to compare 4 smartphones: Lee TV Lee 1S, Xiaomi Mi 4i, Moto G Turbo and Coolpad Note 3. In this video I'll compare these phones on the basis of their design, specifications, features, and I'll also help you decide which is the best value for money phone. So without much ado, let's get started. First thing I'll talk about is design. The Lee TV Lee 1S smartphone comes with full metal unibody design. It looks very premium in hand. It weighs just 169 grams and doesn't feel very heavy in hand. Xiaomi Mi 4i also comes with a unibody design. It is made up of premium plastic and it is lighter and much sleeker than the Lee TV Lee 1S phone. Both these smartphones do not have removable back panels and you cannot access their batteries. Moto G Turbo comes with a removable rear panel. It has rubberized texture on the back for better grip. Coolpad Note 3 also comes with a removable plastic back. Despite the removable back panels, you cannot access their batteries. So in my opinion, in design department, the Lee 1S looks much premium compared to the other smartphones. It has full metal body design which looks premium and stylish in hand. One more thing is that Lee TV Lee 1S comes with USB Type-C port while other 3 phones come with micro USB port. All these phones come with LED notification except Moto G Turbo which comes with Moto display instead of LED notification. Coming to display department, Lee TV Lee 1S and Xiaomi Mi 4i, both smartphones come with Full HD displays with 1080p resolution. Lee 1S has 5.5 inch display size while Mi 4i comes with 5 inch display. Other two phones have HD displays with 720p resolution. Display size of Moto G Turbo is 5 inch and that of Coolpad Note 3 is 5.5 inch. So in this department, the 5-inch Full HD display of Xiaomi Mi 4i with good sunlight legibility is better as compared to other 3 phones. Now let's talk about performance of these phones. Moto G Turbo and Xiaomi Mi 4i are powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 processors paired with 2GB of RAM. Lee 1S packs MediaTek Helio X10 processor while Coolpad Note 3 comes with MediaTek 6753 chipset. Lee 1S and Coolpad Note 3 both house 3GB of RAM. When it comes to synthetic benchmarks, the scores are Lee TV Lee 1S has 53,000 points, Coolpad Note 3 has 36,000 points, Xiaomi Mi 4i has 34,000 points and Moto G Turbo has 35,000 points. Lee 1S and Coolpad Note 3 deliver better performance in gaming, multitasking and general productivity tasks when compared to Xiaomi Mi 4i and Moto G Turbo. This takes place as they have an extra gig of RAM which helps in intensive tasks and gaming too. Coming to the camera department, all the 4 phones have a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Xiaomi Mi 4i and Moto G Turbo have dual LED flash while other 2 phones have single LED flash. Therefore, Xiaomi Mi 4i and Moto G Turbo have an upper hand in low light shots. But I do find the camera performance of Mi 4i to be better when compared to other 3 phones as it has a better rear camera and a very good front camera as well. Coolpad Note 3 also comes close due to its fantastic rear camera, but the front camera performance of this phone is not that good. So here are some camera samples taken by these phones. You can see them on your screens right now. Coming to the battery department, the Xiaomi Mi 4i comes with a large 3120 mAh battery and is closely followed by Coolpad Note 3 and Lee 1S which pack 3000 mAh battery. The Moto G Turbo is fueled by a 2470 mAh battery, but it comes with turbo power charger that gives around 6 hours of power with just 15 minutes of charging. Now let's talk about some unique features which some of these phones have while some of these phones do not have. Lee 1S and Coolpad Note 3 come with fingerprint sensor for additional security. Moto G Turbo comes with IP67 rating for resistance against dust and water. Xiaomi Mi 4i lacks both fingerprint sensor and IP67 rating. Now let's talk about the price of these phones. Coolpad Note 3 is the cheapest of the lot with price tag of Rs 8,999. Lee 1S costs Rs 10,999, Xiaomi Mi 4i costs Rs 11,999 and Moto G Turbo carries price tag of Rs 14,499. To sum up, I would say that Moto G Turbo seems a bit overpriced considering its specifications. Lee 1S and Mi 4i are impressive phones, but they lack microSD card support. So in this comparison, our vote for best value for money device goes to Coolpad Note 3 since at price tag of just Rs 8,999, it has a lot of features to offer like powerful configuration, fingerprint scanner, large battery. and large display. Our second pick is Lee One S for its great performance and premium build. Our third pick is Xiaomi Mi 4i. If you want to buy these phones, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. This brings me to the end of this video and I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button below. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.